Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So, here I have done with my task 3, that is perform exploratory data analysis on dataset sample superstore. So, before moving to the task, let us first see the detailed task, what we have to do here. So, here is the task perform exploratory data analysis on dataset sample superstore. As a big business manager, try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. What all business problems you can derive by exploring the data, and the data set link is given. So let's back to the work. The link I have attached here, you can access the data from the given link. So after importing all the important libraries, reading the data, and here we got the top 5 records. Then again the sample.shape, the rows and columns we are getting, sample.info, the same things we used to do before, nothing new, checking the null values, checking for the duplication of data. These all things are we used to do previously for our tasks 1 and 2. And then here comes the exploratory data analysis, the data visualization, the graph we got, the category versus subcategory, then the sample dot correlation, and here are our histograms. The we have given the bin size 50 and figure size 2015. You can give it according to your convenience. Then count total repeatable states. After that we got the count plot. Then this pie chart. This pie chart gives us information, many information it is giving us. From the above pie chart, first of all, we get to know about the profit and loss of each and every subcategories. From here, we visualize that this binders, this one, these binders are highest amount of loss and profit. Binder subcategory has suffered highest amount of loss and profit amongst all other subcategories. After that, the copiers, you can see that after that the copiers has gained highest amount of profit with no loss. In fact, there are other subcategories also who has not faced any kind of losses, but their profit margins are also low. Next, suffering from highest loss is machines. So this pie chart gives us this many information. After that, this ggplot and this output. From the above plot, we can see that our data is not normal. It has some amount of outliers too. If we go through this figure, this entire figure, this output, we got to know that it is not normal and has some amount of outliers too. So let us explore about the outliers by using box plot. But before this, let's check the sales from every segment of whole data. So sales from every segment of United States of whole data. From the above graph, we say that home office segment has less purchase subcategories, and that tables, supplies, machines, copiers has the lowest sales. Yes. And then discount on categories from every segment of United States. After that, the box plot. This box plot we can see. And this output, what is this? This is showing us the total state-wise, you can see here, the total state-wise sales through this graph. Through this graph, we can see the total state-wise sales. Not showing. Yes, you can see the total state-wise sales. Now let us analyze the sales of a few random states from each profit bracket and try to observe some crucial trends which might help us in increasing the sales. Using the K means clustering as we used to do in our second task. The K means clustering. Here I have taken the random state is 0 and you can see the yellow color as centroids and this pink color copiers, and then the sales versus profit graph. So we have performed our visualization. So what we got to know from this? Lastly, from the above data visualization and clustering, we see that in which states and in which category sales and profits are higher or less. So how to improve in that state means here from the graph, from the visualization, we got to know that which category sales and profit are high or loss. So in that places, in that states, how to improve? Well, by providing discounts in the preferred range so that the company and consumer both will be in profit. For deciding the range, we have to do some technical analysis. We can do it through some factor analysis or through some neural network. Also, one thing we got to know, this is also noted, means while the superstore is incurring losses due to giving discounts on its product, they can't stop giving discounts. Why so? Because most of the heavy discounts are during festivals only, end of the seasons, the clearance sales, which are necessary so that the store can make space in their warehouses for fresh stocks. Also by in also we can say that also by incurring some losses, if the company will incur some losses, the company gains in the future by attracting long term customers. Therefore the small losses from the discounts are an essential part of company business. So we can't say that the losses will be really a great loss because it will attract, if the company will give the discounts, it will attract more long term customers. Thank you all. So this is was my task 3. Please review my work and please give some suggestions so that I will improve in my work. Thank you.